you ever wondered how a creative design agency takes an initial creative concepts and executes it? Today I'm super excited because I'm going to take you through the process of how the Onomy team have designed the No Name Drinks 3D can. So we were basically working with No Name Drinks on a website and a development work for them, and we had pitched these ideas that we wanted 3 cans on the landing page, and when you hovered over it the cans would spin and new labels would come, and we were really excited when they asked us to design the 3rd one. So this video we're going to be talking you through the process of how we illustrated in Procreate, and then we took it into Figma and designed it, took it over to Spline to make the 3D can, all ready for the final 3D asset that would be placed in the Webflow site. I'm Lili, Creative Director and Founder at Onomy. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment below. Let's get into it. Our first step was that we looked at reference points from other packaging and some illustration styles. We chose a more traditional, sophisticated feel, so we felt that vintage line drawings with a more traditional lockup would look great for this project. The next step is that our amazing illustrator went away and started drawing rough ideas of potential compositions for the apple and elderflower lockup. This then went through various rounds of feedback. The next stage was to study different illustration styles and the shapes of the subjects that we were going to draw. After chatting through ideas and experimenting, our fantastic illustrator got to work on line drawings for the details, and then once this was signed off, she went into painting and just kept refining and refining until we got to a place where we were both happy with. We chatted to the clients, and once I had signed off the front illustration of the apple and elderflower, we then got to work on drawing the back of the label, which had a single elderflower. Once the final label was signed off, it was such an exciting part because we got to hand it to our very talented motion designer on the team who had already modelled the 3D can and spline. She put the label in and then played around with some of the interactions. This code then got handed off to our developer who placed it in the landing page. It was great fun chatting you through it all. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you're very welcome to head over to LinkedIn and DM me over there. We're a really new YouTube channel, so it would be great if you could subscribe for weekly doses of creativity. Thank you so much. Bye.